Start with a slip knot and chain 96 plus 3 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 6 plus 3 chains for the turning chain. Make 2 double crochets in the 6th chain from the hook. This is the 6th one. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. That's one double crochet V cluster made. Now skip the next 2 stitches and in the 3rd stitch make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 and in the 3rd stitch repeat the same. That is 1 double crochet V cluster. That's 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 2 and in the 3rd stitch 1 double crochet. Now repeat this until the end. Skip the next 2 stitches and 1 double crochet V cluster. Two double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Skip 2, 1 double crochet. And in the last stitch make 1 double crochet. Now to make the turning chain, chain 2, insert a hook in the first chain and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert a hook in the first stitch, this one, and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next on, now we'll be working in this V cluster in between these 2 stitches. In this chain 1 space, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. That's 1 V cluster made. Now in this double crochet we will be making 1 front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook through the front post and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's 1 front post double crochet made. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. In this chain 1 space make 1 V cluster, 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space. One front post double crochet on this double crochet. 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, insert your hook in the first stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work, insert your hook in the first stitch and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Next round, 1 V cluster in this chain space, 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space. Now in this front post double crochet we will be making a back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert a hook through the back. Pull up a loop, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's 1 back post double crochet made. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 V cluster in this chain space. That's 2 double crochets. Chain 1 and 2 more double crochets in the same space. One back post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Make the last double crochet. Now make the turning chain, chain 2, that's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. Now keep repeating this 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. Start with V cluster, chain 1, you're repeating this round, so you'll be making 1 front post double crochet over here. This is how the pattern will look. This is the back side. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.